Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about using the fill handle to copy formulas up and down. So if we had a simple formula in this cell, it's a pretty straightforward process. We'll just say this plus this. So then we're just adding the two cells together to give us a number 7. Now if we want to do that all the way down, there's a couple different ways we could do it. We could copy it and then just paste in the formulas, and it would automatically just put those in. Now it's fairly simple if it's just a couple of rows, but if we had this going on for hundreds and hundreds of rows, that might become a little cumbersome. So something we can do is we can just hit this little box down here, we can drag it down, and that will enable us to get the same number in there, so that if we change everything to something else so that it doesn't all add up to the same number, we can see that it does carry the formula all the way down. Now something cool is that if we had a series going the opposite way, and we'll say we want to add these together, we can still drag this across as well, and you can see that the formula carries as well. Now the important thing to note when you're doing that is that there is cell references that you have to be considerate of. Feel free to check out my other video on that to get a little bit more detail on that, because if you want to, say, lock this cell and then have everything adding that cell and the cell that's right above it, you'll need to lock in one of those cells into that formula before you drag it. So hopefully that helps you guys out and you find it helpful. Thanks.